Hello, my name is Sahil Dhar. My roll number is 20NA30025, and this is my assignment 3, week 4 of DIY. So basically, we were told that we have to make any project using any sensors in our on TinkerCAD. So basically, my thought process behind what I've made is, I when I was thinking about it, it was like 6 in the evening, and then the it started becoming dark, and then I didn't realize how dark it had become, and then I'd wished I the light had automatically switched on. So I just thought to myself, maybe I should just make that. It's quite simple. I use a photoresistor, an LED, and that's it almost. So basically, it just makes sure once the light falls below a certain range, the LED switches on. Here's the code. It's quite simple. Initially, we set the pin 8, that is our LED, to low, and then from the analog pin, that's A0, we get we get the input in the photoresistor. So I checked online for what value photoresistors give to make sure what I should put in, and it's around 50. So if light is below 50, I set the pin to high, else it's low, and then I wait a second again, and then I it goes back into the loop. uh, so let me just close this and start simulation. So right now we can see it switched on. Let's see the light. Yeah, since it's super low, as it increases, it switched off. So like if during the day it's max, like coming around 6:30, 6:15, it's dropping like this, and then it just switches on. Yeah, so that's how this works. Thank you.